Hey everyone, welcome to back my channel PRMHK Education. Today we'll learn about some useful functions in the Insert tab of the Microsoft Word. Don't waste your time, let's start our video. First, open Microsoft Word in your computer. Once it opens, you will see the toolbar at the top. Now go to the Insert tab and click on the cover page. You will see various design options and choose the select one. Edit the cover page by adding your details. Next, adding blank page. A blank page will be inserted whenever your cursor is positioned. Now let's look at the page break feature, which helps in dividing sections of your documents. Place your cursor where you want to start a new page. Click on page break. The content after the cursor will move to next page. Finally, let's learn how to insert a table. Under the Insert table, locate the table options, click on it, and you will see a grid. You can easily insert a table from the given option. And that it. Today we cover how to use the cover page, blank page, page break, and insert table functions in the Microsoft Word. These features make it easier to organize and to design professional documents. Thank you for watching.